Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your profile picture without notifying others or without even sharing a post about the same. So let's see how to do this. First, open your Facebook application and then simply click on the three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, simply click on this see your profile option. Then once you are here, in my profile you can see that I have changed this profile picture 12 hours ago, and here you can see that it has been updated via a post which is showing that I have updated my profile picture. So if you don't want this post whenever you update a profile picture, what you need to do is follow these simple steps. So next time whenever you choose a profile picture, like I will be doing so in this particular example, I will choose any profile picture, like say for example this one, and now I will be cropping it. So for example, I say like this one, and then what I need to do is whenever you make your changes, you need to simply disable this option right here which says share your update to newsfeed. Simply disable this icon right here, and then you can simply click on this save button right here. Then after you will finish reloading your Facebook page, you can see that the new profile picture has been updated and no other post or notification will be sent to your relatives or to any of your friends which are in your Facebook account. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.